You're just coming out the gate guessing already?
Yeah, and he already said 560.
Huh.
I mean, considering the V made through an auto, 550, so.
Did it make 550?
Yeah.
Was it that much? Oh, and it's got an.
I shouldn't have told you.
I'm gonna go 582.
Ooh, high number, huh?
Well, only because it's got a rotofab
And exhaust.
and some exhaust, but yeah, I don't think. I think it's like muffler, like axle back. Nothing crazy power increasing, like headers would. Excited for the Eagles game?
Yeah, I am actually.
Little Super Bowl.
Excited and nervous at the same time.
Excited and nervous.
A little anxious, I guess you could say. Ready to get it over with.
I think the Eagles are going to win by 3.
I don't know. I hope they win by more than that. I don't need to be having a heart attack.
Dude, a win's a win.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm calling 27-24 Eagles.
Ugh. I'd like it to be like last week's game, to be honest. Just blow them the hell out.
That was a massacre. So I think if the Eagles win, Fran should just automatically give you off.
Well, I already pretty much said to Bill and Fran that if there's a parade, I'm going to be there.
I win.
Yeah, you do.
Damn, I'm on a roll.
I should have never told you what the other one made.
No, I was here when it did it.
Well, can you go back into your film where you said, I said it made 550 and you said, did it make that much?
I couldn't remember what the V did. That's what I was trying to think.
Yeah, well, you didn't think. I told you, and that led to you winning.
No, I was going to go higher anyways because of the rotofab.
Yeah.
Has an intake. It's going to be slightly higher, and it's manual.
Oh, yeah.
You just didn't go high enough.
Yeah. I gave you the idea to go high. You were like,
God,
oh, did it really make that much?
Here we go.
Did it really make that much? Let's go back and listen to what you had to say.
Trying to get the old exhaust off so I can do the headers and cam and lower pulley and put it all back together.
Nice. It's not too bad.
No. Still gotta pull the pan and everything off, which is annoying.
I know. These LT motors are awesome for that.
Yeah, and they have the awesome RTV that seals everything.
Yeah, instead of a gasket. Sweet. I was saying the exhaust that's on here that he put on there, the axle back, whatever, that Meister shaft's expensive stuff. I didn't realize it was that.
I saw it yesterday, of course, when I put it up, but
It's nice.
I'd never heard of that name before.
Oh yeah, it's German stuff, obviously. Thanks.
Duh!
E60M5s use it all the time. The V10s.
Maybe I don't know about it.
The V10s, and it just sounds insane.
And that would be why I don't know about it.
It's like the exhaust of choice for those cars. okay. It needs headers.
Well, it'll have it, and it'll probably be too loud.
Then it really will. You know the saying, if it's too loud, you're too old?
Yeah.
It could even be the loudest 6 Gen ZR1 ever.
I doubt it.
Cricket bait! No? No cricket bait?
You can make it.
You have to say it like the Asian guy. Cricket bait! You can't say clickbait, it's crickbait. No? No. Fine.
It's not making for boost. Makes like 15 pounds and drops to like 12. It's got a 10% lower and then an upper pulley, which we don't ever do. We just do just 18% lower and leave the stock upper. That way you have a big lower pulley and a big upper pulley, instead of a small lower pulley and a small upper pulley, which is the opposite of what you want on a blower for belt wrap reasons.
Right.
But yeah, it peaks out right there. It only peaked like 14.5 and dropped to 11.6. Yeah. So usually the combos we do, they make like 17 pounds.
Right. So what do you want to do? Are you gonna change it, or are you gonna try to tune into it, or what?
It's up to Mr. Mike. I don't know. Maybe we'll just put twin turbos on it.
Yeah, we should just do that.
Maybe triple turbos.
Quad.
2 in the rear and 2 in the front.
Quad turbos.
There you go. I think that's what we'll do.
We're doing everybody else's twin turbo, the stock blower.
Yep.
Because
compound boosted.
well, that's kind of disappointing.
Yep. Like 730, I think, was the most it made. But I mean, it don't have. I mean, that's like less than factory boost. 11 pounds. I don't know if you can see the purple line. That's boost. So it'll peak here and then it just falls off up top.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna make another pull.
Yeah, that's like throwing away power.
It's obviously not the best. I'm just doing it with what we got. 730 is probably about it. I'll probably make one more pull here and that might be the end of it until we figure out what he wants to do.
I hope you guys all enjoyed that little video of Mike's car. You will have to stay tuned to find out what's going on with it, what's next, and what's in store. Also, I know a lot of you guys want to see some more videos every week. Currently doing episodes every Wednesday and Friday. We aren't open on weekends, so that's a little tough to do an episode on Monday when we just did one on Friday. There's a lot of content already on the channel that you guys haven't seen. Go back, check it out, and then we'll talk about 3 episodes a week. I guess now, because we're part of the Street Speed Dirty Max Jack family, they're rocking our apparel, I have to do a merch plug. I guess it's only fair. So all of our stuff, sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, license plate frames, all available on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.net. We'll make it quick. That's it. Back to the action.
Eric needs some emergency too. He's feeling.
Oh, I forgot that.
No, did you really?
Yeah, I did. I don't need it. Yeah,
I do. I feel like I'm
That
starting.
was at my house.
Oh, what's this
What a
treatment?
guy. What a guy.
And I got Bill Pepsi.
Angry Eric doesn't go there. I don't take cream and sugar. I drink it black. It's easy.
I was gonna say it stinks. Yeah, I did forget the emergency.
God, of all things.
Just die.
Just die.
I have your other things.
What other things?
Your
Friends?
yeah.
Yeah. But I need some like vitamin C.
Drink orange juice.
Yeah, where am I gonna get that?
Anywhere that sells anything.
This guy.
I mean, wouldn't you think, Eric?
Yeah, I would think so. Wawa meat has the farm.
I mean,
I would rather.
that would be a very good solid
I'd rather
guess.
just take an airborne or emergency.
die?
Or just die. I know you would like that.
I'll check.
I don't want to be sick like Eric and miss work and stuff.
Yeah.
Does he have a shoot release cable in here too?
Yeah, but he doesn't have a chute, so we're not hooking it up.
Thank you. I know that.
Oh, do you?
That's why I was saying. I guess he's just planning for the future.
I would assume there, buddy.
It's gotta go fast enough to need it first.
Smoke your car.
Probably would. I'd hope so with a 9-inch and no interior and nitrous and.
I mean, your car doesn't have any interior, so.
Yeah, it does. It's got full interior.
Yeah, bull.
It does.
Those race seats it's got in there.
So it's got a full interior, door panels, everything, all the seats, all the carpets in it. There's no carpet in here.
Full piece of
I only removed some sound deadening. That's it. Still only weighs 2,800 pounds. What's up?
Oh,
What's up? This thing still probably weighs more than mine. So angry. Did you see your sweet post on your Instagram?
yeah, I mean, I did, but you know.
Picture of you when you were a kid?
Yeah, I saw it, buddy. I saw it. I think I got it. Maybe.
I think I got it. Oh. You want a hand?
Look at that, Steve's helping today.
Dude, I help every day. You just don't see it.
I don't see it or realize the fact that what you're doing is helping. Is that what you're
Yes.
saying?
That's exactly what it is. Look at that. If you...
How is this thing this full?
Might as well just let it drain.
Yeah, well, the problem is I drained it.
Sometimes I gotta turn the camera off and help out, you know. I should do those Top Gear intros again. On today's episode.
Tyler mops the floor.
Exactly. Next video. Next video, because this one's almost already done. Wednesday's video will be a Top Gear intro. What lower are we going with?
Oh, I know it's an ATI, but I don't know. 21 and a half.
Oh, okay. It's a big boy.
That's all you get. That's all you get. Just those you wanted out of the pack too.
No, that's fine.
Three years later, it's off.
I did find out. So I guess this is only getting just headers. It's not getting like an X pipe. Cooks
Really?
doesn't have a long system for these.
That's
Yeah, so it's not going to be that loud.
so we should put American Racing on it so it has an X
Yeah.
pipe and do a long system so it
know.
doesn't use.
And then it can be the loudest ZL1 or 6 Gen
And then it
ZL1.
doesn't have to use all of that.
Yeah, it's going to use all the stock. Just
There's gotta be another pipe in this.
No, just headers. Fran said it's just, they don't make a long system, so it's we're reusing the stock midsection. I mean, you got the box, you can find out.
I do see the box, but still.
Nope, that's
Guess
empty. I am disappointed.
Come on.
So it'll be nice headers, everything, and you like that? It's custom sound effects.
Sound effect button on here.
Yeah. All right, have fun.
Okay.
Enjoy taking that pan off.
I won't.
Better you than me.
Yeah.